Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The Patriot Act gave law enforcement some necessary tools to keep up with technological advances being used by those who would do harm to our country. It did not abolish our responsibility to make sure that the constitutional rights of law-abiding citizens are protected. This motion to recommit will guarantee that the powers of the Patriot Act being voted on today are not used to violate the constitutional rights and freedoms of the American citizens. More specifically, this motion does two important things. First, it states a fundamental truth that even in secret national security investigations, Patriot Act investigations of U.S. citizens circumvent any provision of the United States Constitution. The Patriot Act powers are used in secret. As a result, when ordinary American citizens are ordered to turn over information to the government under these expansive powers, they are prohibited from discussing their case in public. The risk of government overreach is at its greatest in matters such as these. The second section states that if a U.S. citizen argues to a court that government spying has violated their constitutional rights, that the citizen's case must be expedited. The FISA laws currently require that when our government seeks a secret court order to conduct surveillance of an American citizen, the government's request must be expedited by the court. This provision is a basic promise of fair and equal treatment, and that the government should not have greater rights than the people. We took an oath of office to protect and defend the Constitution of the United States against all enemies, foreign and domestic. Our obligations to that oath and to the American people we represent are put to their greatest test when we consider matters of national security and government powers, such as the ones before us today. I urge all members who support the freedoms guaranteed by our Constitution to vote yes on this motion to recommit, and I yield 2.5 minutes to the judge.